What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's Vanna, and before we get into this video, say hey.
Hi.
He's always here for my intros now. But please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff to keep up with more. Trust me, you're not gonna want to miss me. Go ahead and do that for me. Do yourself a favor, bless your feed, and let's go ahead and hop into this video. I'm gonna be styling this Amazon wig. I got this as a gift for Christmas, and I decided I wanted to play around with it. No, I am not the best with wigs, but I think I did pretty darn good finessing this wig. Please keep watching. As I explained in my intro, I'm styling this Amazon wig. Am I amazing? No, I'm not, but we're gonna give it a try, all right? This bag is really pretty, and I'm not throwing it away. It just comes with the fishnet hair cap. This is 18 inches. This is not a full lace wig, so it just has this one little part right here, and then the rest is like cap. What I was thinking about doing, I'm gonna use my own edges for this wig. Let's take the time and let's do my edges. Lip. I should probably do something with this up here. I wasn't. I'm gonna do my best to part this. I have nobody's comb. I definitely thought I was gonna go somewhere with this, but I'm not. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna put some mousse on it. We're just gonna bring it all the way through the hair and give it that wet look. I am using the Got To Be or whatever to try to stick this down. I have used Ghost Bond. That is something not to play with. I almost lost my edges trying to mess around with Ghost Bond. So we're gonna stick with this Got To Be because it's easy to remove. Now we're gonna cut the lace. And even after all of that, this crap still ain't glued down. Ain't that something? That Ghost Bond would have had this stuck to my head. I'll tell you that. I'm gonna incorporate this on here to kind of really get it on there, you know what I'm saying? So let's do that. I will let that sit for about maybe 5 or 10 minutes because I really want to make sure it's on there. Guys, don't judge. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm just doing the best to finesse. All right, that rhymes. I will be back once that is kind of stuck on my head. I bet you it's not. Oh, yes it is. Oh, this thing came in clutch. It even took a layer of glue. It's definitely somewhat flat. This thing up here is back to puffing up. I really want to get rid of this right here, but I'm actually pooping my pants. I literally seen a woman like wrap it and just pull it like that. I think that looks better, or did I bald it too much? No, that's good enough for me. Did y'all hear the rip on that thing? Anywho, yo, this looks semi-decent. What am I giving this? Probably a 7 or a 5. It's cute. I'm gonna come back with my edges and then a little bit of makeup on here. I just took this concealer, regular concealer, and I just tapped it on there. A little bit of the wig hair fell in with this. I did not do that intentionally, but I'm not mad at it. I didn't melt this down over here because this is also a part of lace. I really don't care for it, so I'm not worried about it. I would wear this in public. I would. This one part is a little lumpy over here, but I can ignore it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you stuck to the end of this confusion, give yourself a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.